The birds are chirping like the sun just came out. They're seriously acting like the sun just came out and they're chirping away. Where'd it go? Oh, it's in the tree. They're just chirping away. So cute. Wow. Whoa. Check it out. I just barely woke up and we have our little boy Kitty in here. Silver Bear. Hi, Silver Bear. And look how cute he is. He's so freaking cute. Anyway, look, that was in his freaking fur. That is that woodpecker, that northern flicker. See, like those striped spots and the orange. That's from that freaking northern flicker that the cat's got. Wow.